Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial where I'm going to show you a new update from Systeme where you can customize the footer of each email you send, and you can customize the footer by domains. Let's say you have different domain names inside of your Systeme account and you want to customize the footer for each domain. Now it's possible. So first, before we start with this tutorial, I'm going to remind you that if you don't have yet your Systeme Launch Kit 2.0, where I'm giving you 4 done-for-you systems to generate your first $1,000 a month using the 4 funnels that I have, the 4 email sequences that are pre-written, and the 4 automations with everything, tutorial and everything. It's free, and you just gotta click here on the link in the description. Also, if you don't have a Systeme account yet, you can get one for free. Just to click the very first link in the description. So let's get started. Once you're here in your Systeme account, you're going to click on the right-hand side, see your profile picture here, and you're going to click on Settings. From here on the left-hand side menu, you're going to look for Emails and go all the way down to look for Email Footer. And from here, you can customize here in this area here, gray area here, you can customize your email footer, so which means that you just customize it once, and then it's going to be this exact same footer for each and every one email you send. But for now, you can select the domain that you want to use the footer for. So let's say you want to customize the domain from here, the footer from here. You select the domain, you just customize the footer you want to use here, and then you don't forget to click on Save, and voila. Every time you're going to send an email from this specific domain name, it's going to have the same footer for each email. So if you like the video, please just remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.